Yeah. Right, let's see what's in this one, shall we?
Yeah.
So this is one of the queen's daughters from the allotment queen.
Yeah.
Which has been one of my
best queens at all.
There's hardly nothing in there, so they haven't managed to. I was a bridge too far.
But you'd already took some off anyway.
I had, yeah. So it needs to be cleared anyway.
That need to be cleared, do it?
Yeah, I need to get them bees, most of them bees off that super.
Oh,
stored.
because it's just a waste of time now.
So, yeah, you just create them space that they
really don't need. Mind you, it's warm today, isn't it?
If there's no nectar about, the nectar flow stopped. They bring in bits and pieces, but nothing. That's not a flow at all. It's finished. But you say got the ivy nectar coming out soon, so hopefully they'll be able to get out and get play that in to fill up their stores.
Ivy honey's like maybe it's a bit minty flavoured. I can't remember.
I prefer it because it's not quite so sugary.
No.
When you smell the plant, it smells not sort of soury.
It's funny. There's different tastes to every aviary, different taste almost to every hive, isn't there?
Yep. Yeah.
It's amazing, man.
It's amazing.
Like I say, I would like to take a beehive down to a strawberry field.
Yeah.
So have a lot of strawberry honey and sell it for twice the price of normal honey.
Yeah, you could sell specifically say, well, a strawberry.
Yeah, you can
Norfolk
taste the strawberry, innit?
honey.
Fucking unbelievable, isn't it? Just got to find someone with a field full of strawberries.
This is lovely and calm, so it's got a queen.
So that's full of food, isn't it?
It's quite a bit in there. I want to see some eggs though, and definitely queen right. You just tell, can't you? That's how quiet they are, just like their mother was. Like a brood, lovely pattern that, isn't it? Look at that, lovely. Picture perfect. Just put some eggs. You know, even I still bloody struggle to see eggs sometimes, you know. It's in the dark comb. If you're in the dark comb, it's pretty difficult. Right, on this one we'll see some eggs. Look at that one.
Eggs.
There's some eggs in the corner there, but I'll get another frame, mate. See how the brood nest is shrinking though, can't you?
Yeah.
Right, if we don't see no eggs in there, then we're doomed, mate, I reckon.
If they didn't have a queen, wouldn't they make a queen solo?
If they got eggs, larvae, yeah.
Well, they've got.
We're alright, there's eggs in there. I don't know if you can see them.
Larvae,
Not the easiest in the dark comb, but you can see them in there. See them? So, yeah, difficult, aren't they? Well, my eye is reasonably in on eggs, but it takes a bit if you get right in the sun.
Just see them. Yeah, just see one. Okay.
It takes some spotting, doesn't they?
Yeah.
Because in the dark comb, mate, they're bloody. Yeah, there's quite a few eggs you see when you get your eye in. You can see some sort of 2-day larvae. That's fine. That's good.
Where's the queen?
I see her. I think I've seen her. Let's get one more out and have a look.
I suppose really people do put too much emphasis on just finding the queen all the
There's
time.
no need now, is he?
No.
She's laying. I found eggs, a decent amount of eggs, I should say. I've only found
Yeah,
a
one
tiny little pocket. Then the queen obviously didn't perform that well, but I mean, there's exactly how it should be. There's cat brood on them 2 frames, wasn't there? Pretty much laid up all that frame. Come to the next door, empty a frame, and then she's laying eggs in there where there was cat brood and they've hatched out. So that's exactly what you want. And there's plenty of eggs. Larvae looks good. She's in there somewhere, isn't she? Bit of food.
Yeah, they need feeding, wouldn't they? Wouldn't
Yeah, probably. Let's have a look at this frame. There's a little bit more weight. We've got a little bit, haven't we?
they? Got a queen up there.
Right, it's an old one. It's colourless. They walked all over it. It goes darker and darker. Play cup. Rabbit. Where's your dad?
Ah. You see the rabbit? Just sitting there by the tree, right outside the tree.
Yeah, I'm going to give him a little bit of feed, what I've got left in there. And I'm going to make some up Saturday, make some feed up. And just keep feeding as and when. They're good. You can starve anytime soon. Fine.
Oh, you don't put this in yet, do you?
No, I'm clear. No, I won't. No, I'll just leave it. I'll stick to my routine. It's got no honey in it, is it? But I don't want to get. Oh, sorry, babe. I won't get any on the foundation anyway. Either. Right. Oh, that's queen right. They look pretty good, aren't they? Can't really complain.
No.